What is Amazon Prime? It's a subscription service by Amazon designed to make your life more convenient, fun, and affordable. With Prime, you unlock a world of benefits that go way beyond just fast shipping. From lightning-fast delivery to endless entertainment, exclusive deals, and more, Prime is packed with perks for everyone. Hold up. Amazon Prime comes with free Grubhub Plus? I've been paying delivery fees like an idiot. That's a $120 value per year just sitting there. And that's just the beginning of what Amazon Prime actually includes that most people have no idea about.
Prime offers fast, free shipping on over 300 million items in the US. Get what you need quickly, without extra fees. Millions of items qualify for free same-day delivery in 110-plus metro areas on orders over $25. Get free one-day delivery on tens of millions of items. With Amazon Day, choose a specific delivery day. Prime Video includes thousands of movies, series, documentaries, and live sports. Prime Reading offers 3,000+ books, audiobooks, magazines, and comics. Plus, early access to Kindle books with Amazon First Reads. Amazon Music gives you access to 100 million ad-free songs and millions of podcast episodes. Store memories with unlimited photo storage on Amazon Photos. Prime Gaming offers free games and a free Twitch channel subscription. Families save on Amazon Kids Plus, unlocking books, games, and videos for children. Get exclusive access to Prime Day, Amazon's biggest shopping event, plus early access to lightning deals. Save on groceries with Amazon Fresh, and get 10% off Amazon brands. At Whole Foods Market, get an extra 10% off hundreds of sale items. Save up to 80% on prescriptions at 60,000+ pharmacies, including Amazon Pharmacy. Or get RX Pass for $5 a month for eligible generic medications. Get a free Grubhub Plus subscription, a $120 value per year, with $0 delivery fees and exclusive offers. All these benefits are $14.99 a month or $139 a year. Students get a 6-month trial, then $7.49 a month. Government assistance recipients pay $6.99 a month after a trial.
So who is Prime for? Honestly, everyone. But especially frequent online shoppers, digital entertainment fans, budget-conscious families, students, and anyone looking for more value. Prime is all about convenience, value, fast and free delivery, digital entertainment, and exclusive savings, all in one membership. Ready to try it? Start your free 30-day trial today and experience all these benefits for yourself. Click the link in the description to join millions of happy Prime members and start saving now.